group we have two functional group. The first one is known as the aldehyde and the second one is known as the ketones. When carbonyl group have two functional group, the first one is known as the aldehydes and the second one is known as the ketone. In case of aldehyde, on the one side hydrogen is must with the carbonyl group and the other side it could be any alkyl radical. But in case of ketone, on both side of carbonyl group we should have alkyl radical. So the both of these groups are formed by the carbonyl group, and they have, when if we are having one hydrogen, if we are having hydrogen on one side of carbonyl group and alkyl radical on the other side of the carbonyl group, then the group is no functional group is known as the aldehyde. And if we are having both the alkyl radical around on the both side of the carbonyl group, then the functional group is known as the ketone. And after this we are having another functional group that is known as the carboxyl group. From the carboxyl group we are also having two functional group. One is known as the carboxylic acid and other is known as the ester. All we should know that what is the carboxyl group. When carbon is bonded with two oxygen in this way, that on with one oxygen it is doubly bonded and with another oxygen it is singly bonded, then the group is known as the carboxyl group. From the carboxyl group we are having two functional group, as we know that carboxylic acid and ester. If we are having on one side of carboxyl group hydrogen and on other side is alkyl radical, then the functional group is known as the carboxylic acid. And if we are having on both side of carboxylic group alkyl radical, then the functional group is known as the ester. And then come to the last, that is ether. In case of ether we are having two alkyl radical which are attached with each other through oxygen. These alkyl radical could be same or the different one. That's it.